If it's your first time here on our channel, ensure that you click the subscribe button and also turn your post notification on. Welcome people, I hope you're alright, you know. I hope you're doing okay. So 10 people almost lose them life last night at a party in Portmore after armed men fired a mirage of shot into the party which killed one of the person. Now my people, according to police, 2 of the men including deceased are top tier member of the Tesha Miller Klansman gang in St. Catherine. The dead man has been identified as Kemar Tummings, otherwise called Night and Day. The police say the other victims are treated at hospital where 3 of them are said to be in critical condition. So watch my viewers, subscribers, based on what the police must say. So a group of police were patrolling in the Old Breton area. When them realize say yo, them see a whole heap of car park at a premises. Them check the area, it appears as if there was no noise. So the police them say, here wanna we are park with vehicle and foot it. So while them a walk and I try to see if them can find out what really happened, them hear an explosion and all of a sudden a whole heap of people start running or head to their direction. Upon checking the premises as to where the persons were coming from, them realize say a whole heap of people were suffering from gunshot wound. 11 persons that is, in which 2 of them were persons are top tier members of the Klansman gang in St. Catherine. So talking in the street I say, watch you know, the man them here say one man now party we keep a Portmore, and that was the right time for them go for the man now. You know how the thing go already now. Once a man go for a man a party, and if whole heap of people stand up there, them all get it too. So at that basically them go for one man and everybody with there so get it too. Even though the man of them go for him get it because he was pronounced dead on spot. So all them person will get shot, I go think twice next time for go on party. Not saying it's a bad thing for go on party, but in a time like this, my viewers, subscribers, no my viewers, you know on party and you don't know who you actually there in a party with. In a case like this, a man in the party where the man them want, you see it, and if you are the bad lucky one they were there near the person there at the time when the man them come for him, you know you are gonna get it too. Me just happy say you know more people never lose them life still. Greatest thing me can say. And going forward, me know them people are gonna learn from them mistake here. Them probably even go on next party again. My viewers, subscribers. But if you haven't subscribers yet, please do so now and turn your post notification on. Until next time, just vibes here. I'm out.